Did you know that sugar, bauxite, rice, and gold are the financial backbone of Guyana? You'll be shocked to know that agriculture and mining contribute a whopping 70 to 75% to the nation's export earnings. We're diving into the vibrant landscape of Guyana and exploring how you can invest in this promising market. From understanding the legal framework to navigating potential challenges, we've got you covered. Guyana is a country in South America. With natural resources, it has good land for farming, important minerals like bauxite and gold, and huge forests that cover most of the country. They also discovered a lot of oil and gas in the sea. Guyana's economy. Guyana's GDP per capita is increasing quickly because they started producing oil in 2019 and reached 278,000 barrels per day (BPD) in 2022. The economy is growing fast, especially because of the oil and gas industry, and the country is expected to remain one of the fastest-growing economies with double-digit growth rates in 2023 and 2024. In 2022, oil exports comprised a big part of the country's sales to other places. Even though the country is doing well with oil, they want to do more than just sell natural resources. They're trying to have different kinds of businesses and not rely too much on oil and gas. In the coming years, Guyana is expected to keep growing quickly, especially with new oil fields starting to work. The government in Guyana wants foreign companies to invest there, so they make things easy for businesses. The country has a steady government, fair taxes, and people who know how to work well. The government is doing a lot to attract foreign money, like giving tax breaks, making it easy to start a business, and setting up a place where investors can get everything they need in one go. Guyana is changing into a spot where many international businesses want to put their money. They plan to use the money they get from selling oil to make big improvements for their people. In the first 6 months of 2022, foreign investment in Guyana increased significantly, almost reaching $2 billion. The government is encouraging investments in farming, businesses, healthcare, technology, manufacturing, and energy. They have an office called Go Invest where people can get information and help. Investing in clean energy also gives you some benefits, like not paying certain taxes and getting money back for what you spend on equipment. The government wants to work with others to invest in places that aren't in the big cities. The president said, and I quote, "We're not after short-term success or short-term glory. We are building a country and an economy that will be sustainable, competitive, flexible, and agile globally." Dr. Mohammed Irfan Ali, president of Guyana. Investment opportunities. There are chances for people from other countries to invest in Guyana. The government in Guyana wants investments in specific areas like farming, making food, clean energy, tourism, and technology. Foreign and local companies can set up businesses and do all kinds of trading, except for some jobs related to oil and gas, which are protected by law. The investment rules from 2004 in Guyana protect investments and ensure everyone is treated the same, whether they're from another country or Guyana. People from outside the country can also take part in the stock market. The government in Guyana has big plans to make things better. They want to invest a lot in building things, making more energy, improving healthcare, having different kinds of farming, protecting from floods, supporting new and special industries, and making it easier to do business. If you're interested in investing in oil and gas, you should register with 2 offices in Guyana, the Local Content Secretariat and the Center for Local Content and Development. Real estate and land investments. Investing in real estate and land in Guyana is smart because the country's economy is growing quickly. Many people want to buy or rent places to live and do business, so the demand for houses and buildings is increasing. The good news for investors is that the land cost is not very high, which means there's a chance to make a good profit with a low chance of losing money. In places like Georgetown, the value of properties is increasing steadily, making it a great time to invest in real estate. The government also works on big projects to improve roads, bridges, and ports. This is good for investors because it creates a strong foundation for development and many opportunities to be part of the country's growth story. So, investing in real estate and land in Guyana can be a low-risk, high-reward opportunity for those looking to make money. Is it safe to invest in Guyana? If you're considering putting your money in Guyana, you'll be glad to know it's generally safe. The overall economic situation is steady, with different chances to invest your money. In 2021, the country's economy grew by 19.9%, mainly because of oil and gas. The laws in Guyana, specifically the Investment Act of 2004, protect your investment, ensuring both local and foreign investors are treated fairly. You can join Guyana's stock market if you're from another country. Overall, the business situation in Guyana is considered pretty decent. Investment strategies. Now, let's discuss different ways to invest and handle potential problems. First up is direct investment. It's often called foreign direct investment, or FDI. This means investing in a business in another country to take control of it. Instead of buying regular shares, you give money in exchange for a part of the business. Guyana's foreign direct investments, FDI, have seen a 47% or $629 million growth in the first 6 months of 2022 to nearly $2 billion. Next is joint venture, or JV. This is when two or more parties collaborate and share their resources to do something specific, like starting a new project or business. Each party is responsible for the gains, losses, and costs. Lastly, there's partnership. This is when two or more parties agree to run a business together and share the money it makes. Partnerships have different types. Some share everything equally, while in others, partners might not be responsible for all the problems. Legal and regulatory environment. Talking about the potential risks, remember that any investment has risks, like losing money or facing problems, but there are ways to deal with these issues. For direct investment, it's crucial to research the foreign market well and understand the local laws. In joint ventures, clear agreements and communication between partners are key. In partnerships, choosing trustworthy partners and having a solid agreement can help. Understanding the risks and planning is the best way to ensure your investment goes smoothly in all these strategies. Now comes the rules and regulations for people who want to invest in Guyana. According to the Investment Act of 2004, everyone is treated the same, whether from Guyana or a foreigner. This means there's no unfair treatment or discrimination. People who want to invest can put their money into any legal business activity. Doesn't matter if you're local or from a different country. You can invest in businesses that already exist, either by yourself or with others, and it doesn't matter if those others are from Guyana. Potential challenges. Investing in Guyana comes with both opportunities and challenges. Some businesses mention key challenges like the increasing crime rate, expensive electricity, unclear laws, customs delays, tax problems, and difficulties in getting land. There are also risks to consider, such as relying heavily on natural resources like gold, bauxite, sugar, rice, wood, and, most importantly, oil and gas. Other risks include insufficient transportation, electricity, education, and health facilities. The local workforce might not have all the skills needed, and many skilled workers may leave the country. Guyana is also sensitive to climatic events in a hurricane-prone region. To overcome these challenges, investors need to plan carefully, consider local conditions, and maybe work with the government and local communities to find solutions. Staying informed about the local laws, building good relationships, and being ready for unexpected events is also crucial for success in Guyana. Investing in Guyana offers opportunities, but there are challenges and risks. Challenges include costly electricity, some customs delays, tax problems, and land access difficulties. However, there are more benefits of investment in Guyana than you will ever receive anywhere in the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Feel free to share your thoughts or suggestions in the comments below.